In this demo of Tableau Next, I'm playing the role as a sales manager working for a B2B telecommunications business called Skyline Comms. So I find myself in my Tableau Next dashboard reviewing a couple of my key accounts, and I can see some usage metrics of my customers along the top, how much data they are using, and the minutes used as part of their plan. Down below, I can see some open opportunities, and I have a customer risk matrix to try and identify any potential problems. And something that stands out to me is this bucket where I have some customers that are a high churn risk and they have low engagement. So let's drill into that a little bit more. And now I can see that from my top opportunities, Global Solutions have one that is open for over 200K. And this is concerning me. So I want to see how their data usage and their minutes used is tracking. So let's now filter those metrics to Global Solutions, and I can see that over the last couple of weeks, they've started to trend down, and this is concerning me. So I'm actually going to turn to AgentForce to understand a little bit more about Global Solutions. So the first thing I need to do is pop open the AgentForce window, and I'm going to start a conversation. Those usage metrics don't look good to me, so I'm going to ask, it seems like there are some issues with Global Solutions. Is there anything that you can tell me about their metrics that would suggest the upcoming opportunity is at risk? And AgentForce is going to go away and dig into this a little bit more. And so I hope to understand whether this opportunity is going to cause me any problems and whether I could do something more to help the situation. It's going to have a look at some underlying metrics in Sales Cloud, in Service Cloud, and make some recommendations as to what I should do next. So I can see here that for Global Solutions, they have this upcoming migration project. They've got a really high churn risk score, their engagement score is low, their customer satisfaction is down, they haven't engaged in marketing recently, and their usage has really dropped off a cliff, as we just discovered. So this is really flagging to me as a problem. And now I'm thinking, is there anything we can do to help this situation? And I'm curious to understand if there are any open support tickets currently for Global Solutions. Maybe there are some cases that we could get resolved quickly for them, because this opportunity is really at risk at the moment, and being one of the larger ones in our pipeline, I want to try and figure that out straight away. So I've gone back to AgentForce to try and understand if there are any support tickets open, and it's let me know that there are 2 open support tickets. One for voicemail not working, which, okay, might be a problem, but the bigger one really is this network outage down below. I'm really concerned about this. Their usage has dropped off a cliff. Now I know that there's a network outage issue that we're working on, but we haven't resolved yet. So I'm actually going to ask, could you please update the priority of these tickets to critical? I want to escalate this. I want to get my support team swarming these tickets. We need to resolve this problem for Global Solutions, because right now I don't think they're going to sign on for their renewal. So AgentForce is going to prepare these changes. It's going to ask me to confirm I would like the priority to be critical. So I'm going to confirm that. It's also going to come back and ask if I want to update the second one, which I do. So it's going to go away and change the priority. So now my Service Cloud team are being updated, my customer support team. But now I also want to start a conversation with my sales rep. They might not know that there are these support tickets open. They have this upcoming renewal, and we need to get on top of that. So I'm going to ask AgentForce to get on top of this. I want a message that I can send in Slack to my sales rep. It's come back really quickly, summarizing all of the issues, the open support tickets, and to reach out to the customer. So I'm actually going to copy this message. I'm going to take it to Slack, and I'm just going to insert my sales rep name here. I'm going to reach out to David. And I'm going to start that conversation. So all from my dashboard, I've identified a critical issue, an opportunity that's at risk. I've delved into more insights through the power of AgentForce. I've updated some support tickets and got my service team swarming that. And I've let the rep know that this is a priority. They need to reach out to the customer, all from within my dashboard. And that's the power of AgentForce and Tableau Next.